President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is planning to dump his Vice President, Kashim Shettima, ahead of 2027. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. This is because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, after using Muslim tickets to deceive the northern Muslims, is planning to dump Kashim Shettima, the Vice President, and possibly go for a northern Christian. Why would he do that? Why did this thing that started as a rumor that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was planning to dump Kashim Shettima appear to have gained currency to the level that a meeting was held at Government House Maiduguri, the capital of Borno State, the home state of Kashim Shettima, begging Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to dump Kashim Shettima. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, it first of all started as a rumor that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who ran on a Muslim ticket and chose Kashim Shettima as his running mate. Kashim Shettima was also a former governor of Borno State. Now, it appears that things have fallen apart and the center can no longer hold. And President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is planning to dispense with him. But the people of his state are rallying around Shettima, telling Tinubu not to dispense with him. Let us look at this report by the leadership newspaper, because that this event took place in the Government House in Maiduguri shows that it had gone beyond rumor that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu want to dump Vice President Kashim Shettima. The man he chose in his Muslim ticket to convince the North to find him worthy of occupying their Sorok villa, especially the Northern and Islamic North, while the Christian North was angry with him. But it appears things are changing in the mind of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now let's look at this report published by the leadership newspaper. The headline is 2027, don't replace Shettima, APC begs Tinubu. Now, according to this report, leaders of the All Progressive Congress in Borno State have urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to retain Vice President Kashim Shettima as his running mate for the 2027 presidential election, citing Mr. Shettima's commitment and diligent service. The leaders appealed in a communique issued after a meeting held on Sunday at the Government House in Maiduguri. This call to retain Mr. Shettima came in response to rumors of pressure from the Northwest on Mr. Tinubu to replace him. The meeting was attended by prominent political figures from Borno, including the APC Deputy National Chairman North, Ali Dalori, senators, and former ambassadors. The focus was consolidating support for the Tinubu administration and the party's future in Borno State. The meeting prayed for Mr. President to retain His Excellency Senator Kashim Shettima as his VP for his second term. The comic stated, emphasizing that Mr. Shettima's loyalty and dedication to President Tinubu's renewed hope agenda is okay. The leaders also pledged their total and unalloyed loyalty and support to President Bola Tinubu, endorsing his administration's policies. They urged Mr. Shettima to remain loyal to his boss, Mr. President, and continue to serve diligently to promote the laudable policies of the president. Now, there are different angles to this story. One, they say there were pressure from the Northwest to produce a vice president. But that Northwest that will produce a vice president, is it going to be another Muslim Northwest or a Christian Northwest person that's going to be? That's the question that is begging for answer. Okay, that's begging for answer. But there are those who are tipping former Speaker of the House of Representatives, Yakubu Dogara, as somebody from the Northwest. He's from Borno State, and he's a Christian that is believed to be potential candidate to replace Kashim Shettima. If it was to choose, if Tinubu decides to choose a Christian to balance his tickets, unlike what he did in 2023, when against convention, against the principle of fair play, against federal character, he decided to run on a Muslim ticket to be able to convince Islamic North to put some votes, enough for him that INEC could couple together to declare him the president. Now, what does this mean? After using Muslim ticket to get the ticket, why is he having a rethink now? Tinubu is having a rethink because he must have discovered, rightly too, that based on his abysmal performance in office and his nepotistic appointment, where he has Yorubanized every sector, every key sector of Nigeria's economy, the Islamic North are fed up with him. So what he's trying to do is trying to see how he can increase his support in the South, increase his support in the Christian North, especially in the North Central, so that he can now be able to withstand whatever the Islamic North will come up with ahead of 2027. It's all about calculation, because the North, the Islamic North, or the conservative North, whether you like it or not, I'm talking about the Northeast and Northwest, most of them are fed up with Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and they want to see him voted out in 2027. They were the people. We know that that election was not free and fair in 2023, but it was largely the vote from the North that INEC was able to put together to say that Tinubu got 8.7 million votes, which many Nigerians can know that is very questionable. That was why when he was declared the winner of the election, there was no celebration anywhere in Nigeria. And don't forget, Tinubu became president with the least mandate in Nigeria's history. He got only 8.7 million votes, most of it from northern Nigeria. Tinubu was totally rejected in southern Nigeria, except for the southwest, where he was able to win 4 states out of the 6 states in that region. he was totally rejected in South, Southeast. The vote he got in Rivers State has continued to be questionable, because independent tabulation of the results at INEC Arif by BBC and Premium Times showed that it was Peter Obi of the Labour Party that won Rivers State. So he got only 8.7 million votes. Atiku got 6.9 million votes. Peter Obi got 6.1 million votes. Rabi Musa Kwankwaso got 1.4 million votes. If you tabulate the results of Peter Obi, Atiku Abubakar, and Rabi Musa Kwankwaso, it was almost 15 million votes. These are millions of Nigerians that rejected Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that they don't want him to be their president. So his saving grace in 2023 was the North. Now the North is rejecting him, and he is looking for what to do to gain confidence. And the idea is to change course, put a Northern Christian as his vice, or put any other person from the Northwest, but basically using the same religious agenda he used in the last election to see whether it will work again this time around, that the North is angry with his performance and which is in the nepotistic dominance of his people in the key economic sectors of Nigeria. I don't know what you think about this. What do you think about Tinubu's plan to use and dump Kashim Shettima after using him to get what he wants? This thing started like a rumor, but now you can see it has gained currency. And what evidence more do you need that he had gotten currency? That a meeting was held at the Government House in Maiduguri, begging Tinubu not to dump Shettima. That has gone beyond rumor. It means it is true that Tinubu had such a plan. They are only begging him not to carry it out. What is your take on this, and what do you think it portends for the chances of Tinubu in 2027? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, or have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.